So the first slime we're going to make is called Oobleck. It's a really cool slime. It's a little different from most of your slimes, and it acts a little differently than most of the slimes we make will today as well. So to make this slime, as I said before, we're going to use cornstarch. You're also going to need water, and we're going to need food coloring. The food coloring is optional, but who doesn't want colorful slime, right? You'll also need a 1 cup measuring cup and a liquid measuring cup as well, and a large bowl to mix it all up in. So let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to make our Oobleck, we're going to start by gathering our ingredients. Oobleck is going to be a 2-to-1 mixture, meaning for every cup of water, we want 2 cups of cornstarch, right? So I'm going to measure my cornstarch first. I'm going to take my open one. I'm going to do this over the bowl. It doesn't have to be completely exact, but you want to fill your cup measurement. We're going to do 2 cups of that. This is why you want a big bowl, because you're going to need a lot of room. Right. So then we're going to take our cup of water, which I've already measured, and I'm going to add my food coloring to it. Put a few drops of green in there, because that's your classic slime color, right? Mix it up. Make a nice green solution. And then I'm going to take my water and I'm going to pour it into my bowl with my cornstarch. And I'm going to use a spoon to mix it. And I'm just going to mix it up. And you'll be able to tell right away that it's a very strange solution. Because the harder you mix it, the rougher it kind of feels, but it still looks very, very liquid. All right, now that our Oobleck is all mixed up, it's time to play with it. So, the special thing about Oobleck is, if you look at it, it looks very much like a liquid, right? Moves like a liquid, looks like a liquid. But if I'm very rough with it, it fights me like a solid, right? And it kind of drips off and then it goes back to that liquid state. That's because Oobleck is what's known as a non-Newtonian substance, meaning it has the properties of both a liquid and a solid at the same time. So if I'm real gentle with it, I can kind of sink my fingers in just like it's water. But then if I use force, it'll fight me. You see it even lifts up the bowl, but then it returns to that liquid state once it's relaxed. So I'm going to pick a bunch of it up, right, so you can really see it. Take it out of the bowl, kind of roll it into like a ball shape here. And then if you watch it, it instantly just oozes, losing its shape back into a liquid. It's very cool stuff. So again, I'm going to scoop a bunch of it up. It's very difficult sometimes. Crush it into kind of this ball shape, rough shape, and then let it ooze out. And that's our Oobleck, our non-Newtonian liquid. That was cool.